Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Sayyidina Muhammad. Abu Hurairah radiallahu anhu narrates that Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The man devoted to the Quran will come on the day of resurrection, and the Quran will submit to Allah. O my Rabb, grant him an apparel, so he will be made to wear a crown of honor. The Quran will again request, O my Rabb, give him more. Then he will be given a complete robe of honor. The Quran will again request, O my Rabb, be pleased with this person. So he will express his pleasure to him, and then he will be asked to recite and ascend in the ranks of paradise. One virtue for each verse will be increased for him." Tirmidhi. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد. نجح 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 عجل سخر لحد فتح لحم نقص مطر حضر معها فتح وعفا أخذ عجل سلف عبد نجس مقام عجب متاع بنانا حمل فلح غلب شجر لأخذ ملكة لأصاب